Welcome to Knowledge Base. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and as I continue to give you lots of information that you need in improving your knowledge, most especially on different aspects. In this case, we are looking at customization of our YouTube channel. Okay, most of you have got YouTube channels. You just put in channels, you just put in videos, but you lack so many things, especially on customization, which is very, very important on the growth of our YouTube channel. So in this case, we're looking at YouTube Studio. Okay, you look at YouTube Studio, you know where to get it. You just click in YouTube/studio and studio. Okay, YouTube Studio, go to your browser and make sure you get to your YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is where we customize and change everything that we need on our YouTube channel. So let's get running. So in this case, I'm on the YouTube channel. You could see that I'm already here. Now I am going to the dashboard. So when I go to the dashboard, of course, dashboard gives you the analytics and everything that you need. We look at content. Okay, when we look at content, of course, we are going through, trying to go through and make sure that everything is very set properly. So in this case, we look at customization. Okay, in the customization, we go to what we call settings. Okay, settings, we look at, of course, we determine which currency that you need. Mine is US dollars. We look at the channel. Of course, when we go to the channel, you make sure you ask yourself where the residence of your channel, the count of residence of your channel. Make sure in this channel you have the keywords that resonate with your channel. I put the keywords here. Then we go to the advanced settings. The advanced settings, you need to look at the audio. These are settings that you put in advance. Okay, here they will ask you, yes, this channel has made for kids, or it's not meant for kids. You click no, this channel is not meant for kids. Okay, so you already click it and make sure it is all set. Of course, when you are promotions, you have the ad accounts and everything that has been put here. It's all set in here. Okay, if you want to disable the interest-based ads, if you don't want, if you want inappropriate words for people who are commenting, you're always put it there. So we go to the feature eligibility. Feature eligibility means you make sure that you enable these standard features, you enable intermediate features, you enable them, and then advanced features, you also make sure you enable them. Okay, this is what we're supposed to do. The audience, the basic information, you get it, your country, and make sure you note it there. Most of you your channels also do not know where they belong. So when we go to defaults, of course, we look at the defaults. Okay, you can have the defaults. Let's say you're putting up default setups for the title and everything, but in this case you do not need, because each video has got its own title. So when you go to the advanced settings, you make sure that the advanced settings, you go to the license, you mark it which category. Mine is education, I'm teaching people. Which language, you set up the language. The caption, this has never been aired on TV anywhere in USA. And then also click comments. You must allow comments on it as well. Of course, when you go to monetization, for us whose channels are monetized, then you also look at pressing ads, and you must also click here to press your ads. You can see kinds of ads that I have on my YouTube channel: the pre-rolls, the mid-rolls, and the post-rolls as well. So we go to permissions. Of course, you put in the permissions. Then you go to the community moderator, you go to the promotions if you need them, and then of course you already have the Google ads. I already connected it. And then also you must have the agreements, and then look at these agreements and also review the agreements. So guys, thank you so much. This is Beaufree, how you can customize your channel, and I will continue also in another customization in my next video. So watch my next video. I will show you another customization. So I don't always want to take it longer, because it will always confuse you. So make sure everything is in place and as I've showed you in the customization. But this is very important, the feature eligibility. Make sure you enable all this. So thank you so much, and have a great day, and watch my next video as well for another customization. Thank you.